Welcome back, y'all, with Lonnie and Titi. Today we are learning about the what? What are we learning about?
The fish.
What kind of fish?
The rainbow fish.
The rainbow fish. So today we are participating in the Week of the Young Child. Thank you. The Week of the Young Child presented by NACE. It's a national accreditation. Right now they're spreading awareness of education that you can do at home, parent involvement, family involvement. So today is Tasty Tuesday. They will be creating a what will you be creating, AJ?
Fish.
Yeah, but what are you gonna eat?
I know.
What? Nature what?
Nature cereal.
They will be doing a 3D rainbow fish. So let's get started.
Bye.
Go TT, go AJ, go T, go T, go T, go dance, go AJ, go AJ. What? You doing a warm or something? Okay. So before they get started, I will cut up the fruits and bring it to the table. Okay, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna put everything in the bowl, okay? In the bowl, TT, yep, there you go.
Oh, coconut water.
Yep. Okay, y'all ready to put the coconut water?
Yes.
Okay.
It's hard to twist.
Okay, Mommy will help you guys out.
Thank you, my name.
You're welcome.
So it's blueberries too.
The blueberry sour?
Yeah, and raspberries too.
But is the strawberry sweet?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Not bad.
Not bad? Okay, so this is what they're gonna be doing. They're gonna be doing their own rainbow fish. I have these things over here, which I cut out. Just a regular cutout.
Yeah.
Just a regular cutout. Let me see if I can. Just a regular cutout of ovals, and that's gonna be the fish. What is this?
The fish scales.
The fish scales. So that's gonna be the fish scales, and these are the what?
Gold scales.
The silver. These are the silver scales. It's the same thing. I just cut it, and I just put glue and glitter. So for TT, I had did the glitter one I pre-did it ahead of time because glitter can get messy with children that's like 1 and under. But for AJ, he can actually put his own glitter. But for this purpose, when she take a nap, he will be doing the glitter by himself. Because if he does the glitter, then she's gonna want it, and then the glitter is gonna get everywhere. So for this purpose, I would only do the pre-made glitter with the scales. Okay? But if it was AJ by himself, he would be doing that. So I had already pre-cut out. So the cotton balls, what we're gonna be doing, we are gonna be gluing this part together, the two sides of the fish, and then we're gonna be stuffing it with cotton. So we're gonna glue the scales on, and then we're gonna be putting the two pieces together, then we're gonna stuff it with cotton. We're gonna rip the cotton up, and then we're gonna stuff it. So it's gonna be a 3D rainbow fish. So let's get started. You making? What did you make? You make the fish?
I'm still making it.
You still making the rainbow? So right now it's done drying and Adrian is stuffing the fish with the cotton.
Yeah, it's with bubbles.
Okay, Titi, you're gonna be putting the cotton. There's a space,
Yeah.
so it can be stuck. So Adrian's doing that right now. Okay, Titi just got done taking off all the little dry glue off her hand. Now she's stuffing it. Okay, AJ's finished. Good job. Let me see your fish, Titi. Turn your fish over. These look really cute. Okay. Look over here, Titi.
The fish say bye.